The 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, automatic transmission, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, power windows, clock, power locks, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.